IT environment is set up to support the business. So you want information technology to support the system. Your business, you should know why IT is required. In what part IT will help you to reduce your time. That you should understand before. Allow the auditor to better understand which risk might arise from the entities using IT. Sometimes client may use IT and that IT will create problems to them. We should understand which IT will help them, which IT will not help them. That's we should see, auditor should say, and if there any what what that is caused us to auditors. You see, understanding how IT used by the entity helps identify control over the entity's IT process. We want to identify who is the control, who is the control in entry making, who is control of checking, who is the control of banking, who is responsible for storage. Such kind of thing. Assessing the complexity of IT environment helps the team should consider whether it involves IT specialist or expert in planning or execute of the audit, including initial consideration whether it includes specialists in the complex of assets. Understand it, identify it, assess it. The three things. You should understand what is happening, and if there is a problem, anything, you should identify the problem, and you should use an assessment to solve the problem. These three things. In order to understand the automation environment should be for included follow application that being used by the company. What kind of application? Tally, ERP, Tally, new thing, Microsoft 365. What they are using? Details of the IT infrastructure components of each of the application. They are using some components. They are using Windows. We are using Mac. They are using some kind of software. They are using WinMan, TDS. What site software they are using? How they are using? You should know that. Organization structure and governance. So organization is who is making the entry, who is checking it, who are the members, what are their responsibility, what are their desk, what is the client code, what is the access card, who can access, what is the password. That kind of organization structure and their governance should be followed. Policies, procedures, and process be followed. When they should start the system, when they should end the system, who was the policy to authorize it, what is the procedure to delete a record, such kind of things to be followed, checked correctly. Extent of IT integration use service organization. There are some IT integration service organization. See how it is going far gone, how much long it is there, how much extent it is there. You should see IT risk and control. All the kind of risk should be there. Example illustration given below how the auditor can document. This is the way auditor to document. Example application, SAP, RVS, COTOS, bill cycle, tally, such a thing is used for YSAP is used for application. RVS front desk for reservation is used. Quotas restaurants kitchens for use. Bills for billing they use the system. Database, what's the database you are using? Oracle, my MS Office, or that way. Operating system, which system is being HP, Windows 6 server, OS, which service using network. It is a LAN, WAN. So in house it is built. It's a packed software. It is a client software. Server and storage. It's all storage in HP servers and NAS. They have their own server. They are stored in NAS used to communicate cloudly. This is the way you should know all the data of that. It will help you to improve yourself, improve the risk, improve, reduce the risk. That's the main thing.